Yes, baby.
How many days until it's my birthday?
3 more months.
Yeah!
Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. It's Sunday. It's Sunday, and we are going. We don't know where we're going, but I just got up, and yeah, we have a late start because my husband couldn't figure out what was wrong with me. It takes a while for my husband to figure out what's wrong with me and to fix it. So now that the problem is fixed, oh yeah. Now that the problem is fixed, we can go on about our day. So I need me some energy to deal with all these people. So I'm making my coffee down here, and good morning, Jordan. And we're gonna get ready to get out of here.
Mommy.
Yeah. Who didn't get breakfast? Are you ready? Are you guys dressed?
Yeah.
Who's not ready? No, that's for school.
Jaxson got one.
It doesn't matter what Jaxson did. What I say, I don't want to argue with nobody today. I really don't. I really don't want to argue with anybody. You feel like not arguing with people? I don't want to argue with my children today.
I got one.
Okay. Are you dressed?
Yeah.
Are you dressed? Why are you wearing the undershirt? You don't have any other shirt? Look at Maddie. Maddie, can you get down, please? Can you please get down? Where's your clothes? Where's your clothes? Like, why do you want to go Tarzan around here? Go find your clothes, man. Let's go. Rough morning, but we will get through this. We will get through this. Today's a Sunday. We gotta get ready for school tomorrow and work and all that. And I feel drained. I feel really drained. Babe, do you feel drained? Say good morning.
Good morning.
So, we don't know. I think we're going to his parents' house. I'm not sure. We go to grandparents' house on Sunday. So, I think that's where we're headed. I chose crazy today because it's been a crazy day. Oh, that's so good. That's so good. I'm gonna drink that. Get my water. I like to drink hot and cold at the same time. I don't care if it's gonna mess up my teeth, but alright, I'll see you guys in a little bit. What are you?
A boss.
A boss? Look at that. Perfect. Come get dressed, Maddie. Come on. Ready? Come get dressed. Let's go. Come on.
Can we just put it like right here at the door?
Come on. Let's go get dressed. Come on. Oh, what's with all the scooters?
Open the gate.
We're going walking, honey?
No.
Oh, they taking the scooters?
Yeah.
Maddie, you're all dressed? You gotta do your hair, baby.
Okay.
Come do your hair. Come do your hair. What are you doing?
Carry the bike to the car. Like
Why? Why, babe?
I can carry it.
Honey, why?
Because the tire's flat. They can't drive it.
Then why are we taking a bike if the tires are flat?
So I can fix it.
Why are you fixing it? Put that in the trash.
Wait, no.
Put the bike in the trash. What are you talking about?
They're too big for that. That is too little.
I ride it.
Yes, it is.
Too big.
Watch the baby, Jordan, because you like to be extra. Watch the baby. Just push it outside.
No, go.
I need to push you on. Good morning, sunshine. Oh, God. Don't do that. Don't ever do that again. Oh, good morning. Good morning. How are you guys doing? I'm doing great. I'm doing wonderful. I had a really bad morning. But we're not going to talk about that. Oh, I didn't have a bad morning. I had a bad day. Yeah, I had a bad day yesterday. Really bad day. And I went to sleep at 2 a.m. in the morning. And I am really struggling. And I think it's at this point where I'm just like, you know, it's time to get help. Don't make time. Don't pay my hair no mind. It's just back there doing its own thing. But at this point, I think it's time for me to get like help, professional help. Like, I stopped going to my therapist about 2 years now. Was it? It's been 2 years? I stopped when I was pregnant with Maddie. Yeah, somewhere around there. So, I don't know. I might go back. Might go back. Yeah. But I have to go get my car to pass this emission test because they flagged my registration. They flagged my registration, so I have to go take care of that. I have to go take care of that and some other stuff, but I don't want to. I really don't want to. I don't want to get out of my bed. Well, I'm out of my bed, obviously, but I don't want to leave the house. Like, I don't want to leave the house. And hi Jenna, I know you're watching. Anyways, I'm gonna go get my car past the mission. I'll see you guys in a little bit. Good morning. Good morning. Wanna go get dressed? Let's go get dressed.
To the Churchfront channel to continue to receive content that will help you grow yourself.
I'm always cleaning my face on camera. I don't know why. I'm watching a whole bunch of YouTube videos on how to be a great leader. I want to be a great leader. I want to be, you know, someone that loves someone. Anywho, I found Coco. Coco! Coco's in the building. Yeah. Okay. Hi. Can let me be great. Can let me be great. So I'm cooking dinner. Don't mind my hair. I'm cooking dinner. And of course, my amazing husband gets to lay over there and sleep while I slave over here in the hot, fiery.
Remember you cried.
Someone asked if I was pregnant. No, I'm not pregnant.
Remember you cried.
Don't be wishing that kind of foolishness over here, girl.
Mommy.
Pregnant.
Mommy. 6
kids.
Mommy.
Did you?
Mommy. Remember you cried.
Can you go and have a seat, please? You guys are so rude. No, I'm not pregnant. Don't want to be pregnant. Don't, please pray for me. Because if I get pregnant, I'm going to go lock myself away. Isn't it? What is it that you go put yourself in a madhouse? I'm gonna go sign myself up to be locked away if I turn up pregnant around here. 5 kids, pregnant, and a very irritable husband. No. Not up in here. No, your girl's truly, no, I'm happy. I'm happy with my 5 children. I got 2 girls, 3 boys. And then, let me tell you guys something. My 2 boys, they're like 2 years away from being 13. Like, oh my gosh. Let me tell you guys. Actually, I'm not going to tell you guys because that's an invasion of privacy. And I don't want to be trespassing on my children's privacy. Like, what? They don't have no privacy. They live under my roof. And I dictate and I decide. But then again, they do have some kind of privacy. But I'm not going to tell you guys. But just say, you know, puberty is here. And I'm just like, where did my babies go? You know, stuff just growing everywhere. I'm like, oh gosh. There's another extra man in my house. Like, oh, can you imagine living with all that testosterone? I'm cooking some form of curry chicken over there. I don't have curry. I ran out of curry and I'm making white rice to go with it. So my husband just gonna have, what is up with my hair? Oh my word. Let me show you guys my husband. Show you the life he's living. Look at that. That's the life of a king. Look at him. Must be nice. Look at that. Look at that. He's even snoring and everything. Must be nice, huh? shoot. What is up with my hair? The flip. Anyways, I'm gonna go finish it now. See you guys tomorrow, because this is gonna be a 2-day vlog. Today's Tuesday, if I didn't say. I posted the lunch video. That's gonna have to deal for today. I'll see you guys in a bit.